What's up everyone? Welcome to one more video. Woo! Today's video is gonna be the same video of the last previous videos about my collection. I don't have anything else to say about that. It is about the collection. And today's video I'm gonna be making 3 items, as you guys know, a scarf and 2 pair of socks. In this video I'm not gonna be like showing step by step of anything, and I'm not gonna be talking loads. I'm just gonna show you a bit of the process here and there, and then that's gonna be pretty much it. I'm just gonna like share it because I want to share the results, which is the most important thing after all, and because I already committed. So I am a committed person. If I promise, I will make it. I am just like that. So this is gonna be. So starting with the scarf, because it's going to be the first item of this video, I'm going to work with a different type of yarn this time. I'm going to be using mohair, and yeah, I never worked with mohair before, so I'm pretty excited. And I'm going to be using normal acrylic yarn to go with this, so then I can have something that is actually warm and fuzzy and everything. And I'm going to be adding something different to this scarf, because I imagine making something, as you can see this picture here, I want to actually add this like it's not tie-dye, but it's like this fading thing, this fading illusion thing on the tip of my scarf, and hope for the best, because I have no idea if that's gonna work or not. For the second item, which is going to be a first pair of socks, I'm gonna use black and white yarn, and I'm gonna make like lined, so like with different lines, I guess. And the last item is going to be following the same colors of the forest jumper, because the colors of the socks are meant to be matching with the jumpers I made for this collection. So I'm gonna be using these colors, and that's gonna be it. I hope I enjoy making this video, and I hope you enjoy watching it. So for measurements, if you're going to make yourself a scarf, you can get a scarf you already have, the size you like. And me myself, I'm gonna be using this one here, because like when you put it, it just like works perfectly fine. So I'll start with that. The scarf and the yarn I have here, I'm gonna be using a 5mm hook. I'm just basically gonna like put them together like this. With the mohair, I'm just gonna have them like this, the mohair and the normal yarn, acrylic yarn, and I'm gonna work with this until I have the length, until I have everything. So this is gonna be a super long process that I have to work on right now, and see you in a bit. Like, it is gonna look really cute. I have the length. It is gonna look really cute, as you can see a bit over here. It's gonna be fuzzy and everything.
How this is gonna be a pain in the ass to make.
Because I'm just doing single crochet, and we all know that single crochet is just like the most boring thing in the universe. But at least it's snowing. It's snowing outside. Look how pretty. This done. This is gonna be warm anyways, and to be honest, it's covering my neck, so I'm gonna start with the fringe. And I already checked some videos and it's really easy to do, so I'm gonna do that. Hopefully I'll be able to how can I say this, screw this over with the idea of dyeing the tips on a bucket with textile dye. This is gonna be fun. So basically what I'm doing for the fringe, you get to the next hole, which is this one. That's the hole, I think it is. At this point, I don't know. And then you get the half that you have, strings of yarn together, pull it through that hole. You get all the 4 pieces up like this, and you yarn over, and then you pull it through. And then you have the thingy being dinging. Well, look what I have here. A scarf. a long, cozy, warm scarf. Can you see me? I have a scarf and now it's time to change it. I am very scared of doing that, by the way. I am very scared of doing that. So this is the thing I'm going to be using to dye the tips of my scarf. And as you can read it here, this is a good thing. It's also for wool, so I think they're going to be good. So I noticed that on the instructions, I need to add vinegar, and I don't have vinegar, and I'm not gonna go out to buy vinegar right now because it's pouring rain and it's really cold outside, and so I will do this tomorrow. So now that I have the vinegar, I'm gonna try to do that. I don't know what's going on. Oh, it's time. So I'm gonna sew tips in, and I have to be careful because it has to stay there for at least an hour, so I need to find a way that only the tips will be there and no accident will happen. So this is basically what I did to hold the scarf up. And I also set a timer because I need to keep like checking and stuff and trying to balance the temperature a little bit. So seems like it's working. I will let it sit there for now until the hour ends, and yeah, but we don't know yet. I don't know, you don't know, we'll know eventually. Hello. So yesterday I did the whole bling bling blong bling bling blong bling on the scarf with the textile dye. There is still one more thing I need to do regarding the scarf. I bought this, it's like a dish brush. There you go. So I'm gonna use this to try to bring a little bit of the fluff to my scarf. So now that the scarf is done, I'm gonna move to the next item of this video, which is the Berlin socks. So it's a mix of black and white because the idea of the socks, as I said many times before, is to match the jumpers. So I finished one sock of a pair, I don't know how to say that. And this is what I have so far. I'll show you how it looks on the foot when I finish the second one. So I'm gonna start with the second one now. It is not like really hard to make now, so I'm gonna move to that. Let's see if we can finish the socks today. Unlikely, 100% unlikely. This is the heel of my sock. This is the heel of my sock. Sorry. I finished the first pair of socks. So I'm gonna start the second pair now, and of course I'm not gonna show you the results of the first one because I can't. Makes sense. I'm gonna be revealing at the end of this video, so yeah, to the second pair then. I'm having a panic attack right now. For the second pair, we'll be changing the colors again. So these are the colors I'm gonna be using for the second pair of socks. I'm gonna try to work really hard right now, fast as I can. And at least for this pair, I'm not gonna be filming, I guess. So I'll be filming a bit more of the second sock tomorrow morning. So I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Juicy. Hello. Oh my god. So basically, yeah, I finished the first pair of the second sock. I'm gonna show you how looking, because I had a small issue with the sock for some reason. It was not fitting, and I don't know why, because I used the same measurements I used for the other one, and both of them fit pretty well. So I don't know what happened. I did the blocking and everything. This is how it is looking, the second pair of sock that I designed. But for some obscure reason, it just didn't want to fit, like in the ankle, like to do the turn for the ankle. It's just being very problematic, which means I unlikely will be able to wear this. So I really don't know what happened. So with a lot of effort, I can make it fit. It is looking really cool on my foot though. Look, it does. But anyways, let's move to the second one. The marathon. Back to it. My hands, they hurt so bad. So I cooked and ate in 40 minutes. 40 minutes. Do you think I'm in this life to be like, you know, a loser? Don't answer that, please. Yay! I still need to do the ribbing though. Now I'm gonna sew them together. You see, I am in a very, 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 very great state of mind right now. My state of mind is on fire! Do you wanna hear something funny? I finished. It is just funny because I am freaking out of stress. But I have 2 pair of socks done. They are here. They are here. They're done. I think it's time for the reveal. So whoever is ready. Whoever's not ready, it is ready now. So I'm gonna show them. Okay. So the first item of this video that I've been working on, as you guys know, is this fluffy mohair-ish scarf that I dyed the tip. The idea was to give like this changing color kind of thing more towards the end of the the tips of the scarf, of course. And this is how it is looking. It is quite fuzzy and it is very like warm and comfortable if you wear it right. This is how it looks like when you wear it right, like this. This is how it is looking like. I honestly knew that it was not going to look like black because this is what happens when you dye something white. Like, you have to dye multiple times until you get the black, so I would have to dye at least one more time to get the black. It is fine, to be honest. I don't hate it. I think it's okay. But it's like really comfortable. It's a very like nice feeling touching it and stuff. And it's functional, which is good. Also, it's my first scarf, so I think for my first scarf it looks like professional, pretty cool, so I like it. And that's it. So the second item of the collection, yeah, this is the fifth item of the collection. It's this pair of socks. So this is the socks, the black and white socks. I'm gonna put them in a sec, just showing you guys how they're looking. The last, it's this other pair of socks. So yeah, this is like the other pair of socks I made to match with my jumper. But I'm gonna put them right now and show you how they're looking. So these are socks number 1. This is how they are looking like. They fit like a glove and with shoes. This is how they look with shoes. And this is socks number 2. And this is it with shoes. Also looks pretty cool. And that's it for today, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. But if you liked this video and if you'd like to know how I made these socks, please leave a comment down below. I would definitely think about it. Yeah, this is still not the last video of the year. I still have one more video to make before the end of the year, but this is the last video before Christmas. I wish you guys a very, very happy Christmas, that you have a good time with your family or your friends or with your pets or even with yourself. Like, don't forget to enjoy the day off, because that's what it matters at the end of the day. And if you're here, if you came all the way to the end of this video, please don't forget to hit the like button. Please subscribe to this channel and also follow me on my social media. I'm there as FoxxieGS. And once again, since the last video, I gained so many new subscribers and followers, so thank you all guys. Like, also welcome to this channel. And that's it. That's it. I hope you guys have a good time and see you soon.